Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So, I have been working off and on through the weekend, and the room is a wreck. As the stalker, um, she'll probably make her very happy. So, hi, stalker. Um, but I have made a ton of progress, and I will show you where. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. I am showing the truth of where my craft room has been, where it's going, and my process along the way. So this has gotten bad, and it has gotten, well, it's gotten better and it's gotten worse. This was nearly clear, but now it's a mess again because I've actually been going through all my drawers this weekend and corralling and sorting and actually moving stuff around. And the top is actually, I've moved a lot of my knickknacks up to the tops of the flamingos and cats and pusheen, all those goodies. But my tonic studio stuff is actually kind of moving. So two of them are going to remain there. But I have moved my watercolors, which were all down here. They're now in this drawer and that drawer. I still have to work on these two up here. I have gotten them cleared out. As you can see, it said watercolors, but that's changing. I fixed the drawer that was stuck out the other day. With IKEA, you actually have to completely like unattach it, pull all the way out to get to whatever's behind it. I have turned this drawer into, this was a tonic drawer. I have turned this into a punch drawer. It is kind of heavy, but that's why I have it at the bottom. This is still a, well, this is kind of a collection drawer at the moment. All of my Stampin' Up stamps, like this, will eventually end up on this IKEA piece here. But my husband is building a support piece that goes in the back of these units. And then my son is going to attach it to the wall so it's stable. But that will hold all of my Stampin' Up stamps. So there's that. As you can see, I've actually gotten this drawer, well, not drawer, but shelf, cleared off, stuff put away. I'm trying to keep it that way. All of the scrapbook albums actually got put away, and as you can see, my Razcog is over here. This stuff up here is stuff I have to mail out to people. And I've sorted through down there, which is awesome. And half of those drawers were empty. And so in the back there is letters and decorations for letterboards. My Canon selfie, some other digital equipment in there. Let's see. That I can't see right now. So there's tonic in here. There's tonic in here. These are tonic. I have to go through that. That is stickers and stuff. And I have to work on these. I think these are empty, but I have to work on those. This is stuff that I am sticking in that I'm going to work on in the near future, because I want to make my, I'm using a quilt hoop to make a display for all my pins. This is more stuff I have to sort. There's lots of stuff I have to sort. I decided, trying not to make anybody sick, I had a really neat like stand for these makeup brushes and blending brushes, but it took up so much space that I decided to get rid of it and stick all the brushes in this cup so it's just easy to grab and move wherever I want it. You couldn't see anything here for all the crap I had piled up. I'm pulling stuff that I've just had, you know, like shoved wherever. And like I said, like that's all tonic dyes. That is different paper that has come in kits that I'm actually gonna sort and pull the kits apart and put the cardstock together. So there's that. A discovery that's going to take longer, but I am so excited about it. So some of y'all know that I collect vinyl. If you don't know what vinyl is, it's records, like, you know, those of us who are old school. And I was looking at some of my albums. I'm like, man, these look rough. So I went on Amazon and I bought they're called outer sleeves for the albums to protect them from getting all destroyed. Well, everybody, I have found the solution to our 12 by 12 paper storage. These are basically the same material that we use to store our stamps and dies in, but it holds our 12 by 12 paper. And you can store it on its side. And I haven't decided if I'm going to put tabs on the side. I don't know yet. But they're reusable. And it protects your paper. Everything's going to look neat. I used to put all my paper collections, sorry, I'm trying not to make you sick, in these zip top pouches that I would buy from close to my heart. You know, being a rep, I could buy them in bulk. But you only get like 25 of those, I think, for $5 or $6, I think. Where I can get 100 of those. I think with shipping it came to like $22. So I already have another set on the way. I'm probably going to buy 2 more sets. But I am so excited. And I have no idea why I never thought about that before. But yeah, so I will put the link to this down in the description. It will be an affiliate. I am affiliate with Amazon, but I love it. And it will hold a lot. This is just one small paper collection from Stampin' Up. I could probably fit a couple in there, and then like if you have like bulk cardstock, it's going to hold a lot. Those are 12 by 7/8 or something. Anyway, tons of room. But I am now going to start going through all my 12 by 12s and transferring them out of the packaging it came in to those. It's going to streamline and it's going to look so much neater. Yeah, I can't believe I never thought about it before. Anywho, I've actually gotten a ton done. My daughter was really surprised. I've been in here most of the weekend. I have a lot of stuff, so it's going to take a while to go through it, but I am making my way downtown. Yeah, I can't sing, but anywho. So that is the current situation. And yeah, at least I can enjoy all the cuteness up top now. I just had random crap just shoved up there. I've pulled that stuff down. I've got stuff that's been sent to me that's I'm going to hang on that little deal up there with Hello Kitty. My paper nanos are now in that blue box that Pusheen is sitting on, so I will know where to find those. My husband is going to be building me like stepped, I'm going to call it like stepped display, so that stuff that has been sent to me from you guys, I can actually go up higher and you guys can see it. Because I think I have 12-foot ceilings in here. I'm pretty certain it's 12-foot ceilings. So eventually we're going to put a shelf that runs up there for display. But that's where I'm at, and I am so happy. pretty much this weekend's just been corralling is what it's been. The stuff on the island, it's going to take me a bit because I haven't quite decided where everything is going yet. This here is like all stencils, and I decided that my stencils, where did I put my binder? I've got a binder. It's a 6x8 or an 8x8 binder that I'm going to put pockets in, and I'm just going to put all my stencils in that. That way I can flip through it easy. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I got that idea from my friend P. Hey girl, love you. Because she sent me a picture, because she's working on her craft room too. Bless her. She's in so much pain right now, yet she just keeps plugging along. But she was doing the same thing, and it slipped my mind. And when I found my album, I was like, oh yeah, I can, because it's an album I had a planner in. Where did I put? I put it somewhere where I wouldn't miss it, and here I am missing it. Isn't that sad? But it's coming along. I am super, super excited. There's some storage pieces in here that I'm going to get rid of. Some of them are recollection pieces. So they're out in the landing in a box, and I'm just going to wait till I'm done before I list those. Or I might ask some of my friends if they want them here locally. But anywho, I told you I'll give you an update. I was talking about what major progress it was going to be and how wonderful it was going to look, but I pulled more stuff out of hiding. And yeah. Hey, look, some of my B. Cliven pieces are up there. Let's see, can I... Isn't he handsome up there? I love him so much. Anywho, there is that. And I will just keep plugging along every day. I think the weekends are going to be the ones where I do the big, get the most done. But I'm hoping by next weekend I have this cleared off again. And yeah, so there we are. Pancake! Hey, baby! So, anywho, I'm going to get to swapping out some paper collections. And yeah, like I said, I will put the link to that down in the description. Like I said, I can't believe I've never thought of it before. But yeah, I think I'm going to order another 200 of those, I think. So, anywho, with that, love y'all. As always, happy crafting. Bye-bye.